Hi, this is Jamie from Empowered Social Media, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a LinkedIn business page today. All right, so let's get into it. I'm going to go to LinkedIn in here. It's tricky because it's really difficult to find. I'm not going to lie. You're like hidden it for some reason under work. You're going to go all the way down, and then there's create a company page. So click it. So I have a template of different things that you're going to need when you're doing LinkedIn page, like email address, website, your address, tagline. There's a bunch of different things that are going to be necessary for you when you're setting up your business page. So you can take a second here as well, but I'll give a link to the resource that you can copy yourself and then fill out. So again, back here. So looking at here, we have a small business. Great, and the name of it is Center East Commons. Excellent. So we're just going down the line. Oh, this thing's stuck there. All right, go down the line, website. Industry. So looking through this. So it is apartments. It could be that they don't usually have apartment complexes that are on here. So they don't even have. Maybe there's so many too that I've scrolled by it at this point. So we're just going through all the different ones. You can get a look for yourself in here. Real estate is something that pops up to me. All right, company size, company type. This is a privately held company. All right, so logo, we're going to choose logo. We're going to go through. Do we find what we want? Awesome. Tagline. I have created already, so I'm going over. They give me an example in there. You're trying to figure it out. All right, we got all the basic stuff at this point. All right. Description in here. URL, real estate, phone number. And specialties. There's a bunch of different specialties. We're just going to type it in. So apartments. So I go on and on. I got up to 20. I'm going to stop right there because I feel like I have enough in place. I'm saving. Good. So location. We have address 426. There we go. Got that in there. We have page info. We have a button. So visit website I can put in there, or contact us is the better one. In my opinion, I don't want to just drop them on the home page. I get confused. I'd rather do a contact us. We have hashtags in here. So we got the 3 hashtags. So it's telling me some suggested ones, but these are too niche. No one's going to be looking for those specific hashtags. So I've selected apartments, apartments for rent, and apartment hunting. So apartments for rent, and then apartment hunting. Good, save. All right, so I have everything that I need so far in here. That's great, it's saved. I'm exiting out. All right, so we got to get a cover image in here. So far we have everything else is set up, but no cover image. Is 1128 by 191. So I'm going to go on my trusty Canva. I'm going to create a design, custom size, 1128 by 191. That's just in my recent. So now I'm going to upload, or look through my uploads right here. And I'm going to find the apartment complex. I have a lot of different businesses that we use this program for. So we have here, open it up. Doing my best to line it up. So there we go. In here, that's my best I have at this point. I go up. I'm going to upload logo, white version. And here. And then I'm going to add some text. Feel at home. And here as well. So top, left. I'm going to go white so it stands out more. In here, I'm going to go effects. See if that helps. Yep. Helps to make it stand out. I'm going to lock it in that top left-hand corner. Feel at home. And I'll make it a little more bold. Good. Uploads, got that. I'm going to shrink it a little bit. Drop it. Bottom left-hand side. In there. All right, so I got it. I'll line it up. Perfect. I'm going to download as a PNG. Good, great. Now I go back into LinkedIn. I'm going to edit, upload, grab the image that I just put together. All right, this is great. I'm going to save it. And we're all set. Feel at home. Center East Commons, logo, everything's in there. And then when I'm ready to invite people to this, I have 100 credits available where I can go click in, invite connections. Great. And then select the people that I want to invite to like this, to follow it. When I have posting options, I have create a post. I have image, video, PDF. that I can use for it. Then I can also show, like, share that we're hiring, or celebrate an occasion, create a poll, add a profile, offer help. So I can use one of these options as well to help push my content out there. If I select image right here, I'm just going to select the logo right now. Then there's the alt text up here. So I click here and then say Center East Commons residential property and office space. So I hit done. I added some alternate text to it that has like what this image represents. It now has those words like embedded into the image to make it more indexable. Hit done. I type in what I want. Copy. Great. I have my 4 to 8 hashtags. So it gives me someone under here. That's not really what I want. Now is apartment. Apartments. Apartment living. Cozy. Cozy home. Safe. Community. For rent. So there's 5 hashtags in there. I have an image. I have alt text of the image, and I'd be good to go to post at this point now. All right. That is it for our lesson today and how to set up your LinkedIn business page. Any questions, please drop in comments. We're going to see a bunch of our other materials that we have on all the other pages, Facebook, Instagram. We're going to have one on Twitter and YouTube coming out shortly. Awesome. Thank you again for watching, and stay tuned for more content.